Well, hello there, and welcome back to another episode of Ripping the Plastic Off of a Brand New Blank. This episode, ripping the plastic off of a repaired iPhone XR. Let's begin! Alright, so it didn't come in its original packaging, but oops, there's the Apple Care information. And this is the phone that we got, the iPhone XR that we got. So if we take a look at it, you can see there's the Apple plastic on it. Let's take a look at the back. Yep, this is a repaired iPhone XR. So before we unbox the plastic, I need to plug in my headphones.
Alright, is this better? Is this better?
Alright, put the microphone next to the XR for the unboxing. And enjoy the show. That was so satisfying. Put this XR back in the box. I don't want to smudge it. And this plastic? Oh, I'm keeping this. So, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, wash your hands, take a shower, do whatever you need to do. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to set up this iPhone XR real quick. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.